Sometimes you have costs that are attributable to a number of customers. You can use projects to attribute these costs to those customers. Let's say your business provides bookkeeping services to a number of clients. You employ a contract bookkeeper to provide the service. The time spent on each customer is a constant. Each week, you get an invoice from your bookkeeper for the total time spent. With projects, you can easily book these costs against these customers. Go to Day-to-Day, Business, Projects. Click on Add to create a new project. Give it a name, a start date, an end date, and a description. In the table, click on the Supplier tab and select the supplier. Leave the weighting as 100%. Click on the Customer tab. Enter the customers that will be sharing the cost of this bookkeeper. Now enter the percentage that is attributable to each customer. The total of the percentages must add up to exactly 100%. Now click on the Items tab. In the Amounts field, choose the price basis, gross or net. Select the items for this project and enter any special price to be charged. When complete, click on Save. Now that the project has been created, we can look at the estimated project position, which will show us the total income for this project, less the total expenses, to give us the net position. To enter a bill, click on the Add Bill button. Select the project, complete the details, and save and close. Click on the Add Invoice button to create the invoices to the customers. Select the project and see the project details appear. Click Save and New and complete other invoices. When this is complete, you can see the income, expenses and net position for this project. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any questions, please go to reckon.com/support.